Good morning, everyone. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we are talking to our turtle ladies. That's Turtle Central, that is, right? This is Amy and Pam, and Turtle Central is a shop on Bald Head Island that has support for the Bald Head Island Conservancy, correct?
Correct.
All right. Well, ladies, tell me a little bit about Turtle Central. What is it?
Well, we're located on the end of Federal Road down near East Beach. We've been there for over 37 years now, I believe. It was all started by a group of volunteers concerned about keeping and preserving the beautiful nature on Bald Head Island. And we really do promote like sustainability and scientific studies of Barrier Island. Our mission is we discover, learn, conserve, and preserve. One of our main programs during the summer is our sea turtle protection program. We had about 170 nests last year. It was a record-breaking year. So all of the proceeds that come from the shop and our online store, turtlecentral.org, goes to supporting all of the programs and educational camps and nature walks and studies, and most importantly, our sea turtle protection program. So we are a complete nonprofit gift shop.
That sounds great. Now, I think we were talking earlier about the turtles themselves and that they're early. Are they early this year?
Yes, they've already been spotted in Florida, and I think there's a little activity off of Georgia and South Carolina coast. So we are expecting a little bit more early activity. And of course, this year with the COVID situation, we don't have our interns coming in. We don't as much. We have a very limited amount. So we really are relying on some extra volunteer help and trying to get that going and get the protection programs, ready for them because we know they're coming.
Right.
We think they're coming.
Everybody loves turtles. And I know on Turtle Central, you have an online shop, do you not, Amy? You've got a good deal of online shopping experience, do you not?
It's been fun, and we definitely have tried to be as flexible and move with the situation that we have running now with our stay-at-home orders and everything. So we even created a quarantine survival section on our website where we have things like face masks, hand cleansers, and some lotions because your hands get so dried out from the sanitizers and the alcohol in them that we have some lotions on there that are fabulous. And then we also have like indoor play and outdoor play ideas and activities for kids. And our most popular are the puzzles. We have been selling out like crazy for our 550-piece plus puzzles for the adults. And yeah, so it's been a lot of fun.
Well, I think, can you show us the website so that we can go? I mean, at some point, I'd love to visit Bald Head Island soon. But until then, I can come to Turtle Central Gift Shop online. What is your address?
So our website is turtlecentral.org, and Pam's just showing you now the banner that goes across the top where you can have your different selections of some of our more popular pieces. But here in Quarantine Survival, you see that there's we have a bunch of puzzles, kids activities, and especially our face covers, which are actually the headbands, where you can wear them as a headband, you can wear them as a neck scarf and make it really fashionable. But most importantly, you can pull it up over your face. So when you're going into Lowe's or Walmart and you just need to cover your face real fast, pull it just straight up and cover your mouth. And they're really great for when you're having a bad hair day, like on a rainy day like today, and just pull it up over your head and you got a nice little head cover.
Or you haven't been able to see your beautician for a while and you're showing a little gray.
It's a struggle,
The struggle is real.
It is. What we're showing you now is just our hand cleansers and and there's also the well-kept screen cleaning cloths for you to clean your technology, because that's important too, to keep your technology clean, especially your cell phones. We're always on them. We're always on the go with them. So it's really important to keep those clean so you're not spreading your germs too.
And there's specific stuff that you use on your cell phones, from what I understand. You just can't go out and like dip it in the water. So
Right. I mean, you don't want to do that anyway, because then you lose your phone. But those well-kept cleaning cloths have rubbing alcohol in them as part of its ingredients that will definitely clean it and sanitize your phone. But they are specially made for technology so that there is no residue left behind as it dries. So you don't have that filmy cover on your screen as you go to pick it up once it dries. It is a clean and clear cleaning on your cell phone surfaces, which is great.
and you are shopping local, which is a great thing.
Absolutely, shopping local. And speaking of shopping local, we have free local delivery too. As you can tell, we actually are not sitting in our homes right now, or not sitting in the store right now. We are actually in Pam's home. We are both local to the Southport area, so we are able to have free delivery to our local Southport residents.
So how is Bald Head Island doing?
It's doing okay. It's doing good. It's quiet.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about the Conservancy. I know we touched on all the turtle programs and that kind of thing. Is there an actual Conservancy building that people can go in and do?
Camp.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We do. We have a campus. We have our Barrier Island Study Center. We have education, our Fleming building. We hold a lot of educational camps in there. Our programs, our touch tank is in the Bisque, and then Reptile Roundup is in the Fleming building, which is a really cool class that the kids and parents can come in and they're allowed to touch snake and turtles and learn all about our local. Hey, I'm not a big snake person, but I did touch Larry or a corn snake. So if I can do it, anybody can do it.
I understand corn snakes are nice.
We also host several different groups throughout the year. We do host a lot of universities and science, the Lohman Lab, they're a big part of our turtle science studies, and out of Chapel Hill. We host a lot of Boy Scout, Girl Scout groups. We started a new program last year, one of our interns, Connor, and the girls can come and earn their sea turtle badge. That was very popular. And then in the fall, we brought over, I believe it was every sixth grader in Brunswick County came over and did a Barrier Island botanist class over on the island, which was really cool for the kids. And they got a lot of feedback for that. And they were able to go outside and do some of their STEM classes on the island in actual nature. And so that was led by our education department, Marissa, Kelly, and Lauren. And that's a big part of our fall. So we hope things can get back to normal soon and these programs can continue like they were. And we're just very hopeful that things can, start happening again. But.
So I know you mentioned a lot of children's programs. So if you've got an adult program, could they come over and maybe touch the corn snake, Larry?
We do.
Yes,
Anyone
yeah.
can come. We have our island nature tour. We also have our ibis, our birding tours that are over on Smith Island Nature Preserve. And the ibis are prolific right now. We have really been seeing some ibis. So yes, there are lots of the kayaking the creeks, Bald Head After Dark. So there are many programs that adults and kids can do alike as family and learn about the island.
So give us your website for the Conservancy and then for Turtle Central again.
Sure. Our Conservancy website is www.bhic.org. That's Bald Head Island Conservancy. So it's www.bhic.org. And then Turtle Central is
www.turtlecentral.org. And that's all one word, no space.
And so you are not out of anything on your website. So if I needed some hand sanitizer, any of the PPEs that you've got, we're good to go.
If you don't see us, just give us a call, 910-457-0917, or email either one of us, smith@bhic.org or amyd@bhic.org. If you don't see it on our website, just call us or email us and we can get it to you.
We also offer FaceTime shopping. We are over there. I'm over there one day a week. Pam is over there one day a week. We try to split it up just because of social distancing. So we can definitely set up a FaceTime shop and we can go through the store and shop that way for you as well.
Oh, wow. You guys are just really hitting all the numbers on this. So thank you so much for keeping us safe during this time. And Mother's Day is coming up. So some great presents, ideas on your website there. Again, your website one more time.
www.turtlecentral.org. And Pam's going to show you.
Can we show you a real quick rundown of some Mother's Day ideas?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
So we have our new Lily Turtle line. Really
Lily
super fun.
Pulitzer.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Is that
Turtles.
purple?
It's blues and purples and greens with turtles.
Look how pretty it is.
There's a shell. And we have like the watch bands for your Apple Watch. We've got a phone case that's glittery and sparkly.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Beautiful quilling cards online. And these are all made by, let Amy
sure.
tell you about this village.
They're made by artists in Vietnam. They're all female artists, and the company is a certified fair trade company where they have been able to make enough money to give it back to the women there, and they have built their own community, providing them free education, free healthcare, free food. It's all self-sustaining, which is really important, especially for female artists in Vietnam. So it's been really great that the company was able to give back.
And we have our chocolate cards, sea salt, caramel, dark chocolate. They're greeting cards, and they actually come with a full chocolate bar inside. And they're delicious. We've all been imbibing.
Yes.
And then we have our new, really cool, I really love this. It's a sort of a collector piece, our new bracelets. And they have this little sea turtle charm. As Bald Head Island Save Sea Turtles. And I'll read you our little story that comes with it.
We have 4 different kinds with 4 different stones.
And our story is available only at Turtle Central. Recapture the memories of watching for sea turtles that nest on the beautiful sandy beaches of this barrier island with its starry nights and stunning sunsets. By purchasing this custom designed bracelet, you are helping to protect the nesting sea turtles and their hatchlings that crawl towards the moon, rising over the ocean waves of the Atlantic. So that's our fun little
really nice
custom, and it's sterling silver charm on these bracelets.
And it comes with this little pouch and it'll come packed in it. So if you want us to ship it straight to mom, we'll put it in the little pouch and send a little note along with it for Mother's Day.
We do have some Bath and Body. This oceanfront scent soap is amazing. Everyone loves it, men and women alike. My brother-in-law has gone through a complete tube of lotion in about 2 weeks. So we're already having to reorder that. And we have our Atlantic soap. This is just a soft sea, oceany smell with our oyster. So.
Now, I grew up on the Jersey Shore, and that reminds me of summers on the Jersey Shore. So I know there's a lot of friends and folks around here that are from the tri-state area. So that will definitely take you back.
Mm-hmm. And we have a bandeau here. We can show you how to use this bandeau.
Please.
All right, so it's really easy. Just throw it on. You can wear it as like a little decorative scarf if you'd like. Just kind of keep it here. So it even kind of matches, and then just pull it up real quick, run it in the store. Or you can pull it over. A little on the ferry sometimes we do this.
It's a little windy on the ferry, so we
cover
our heads.
So they're very versatile, and you can easily just throw them. I spray mine down with a little like natural cleanser, Arena. I'll show you. I keep this. It's an all natural lemon fresh verbena cleanser, and I just spritz it down, and that keeps it fresh. And you can also throw it in the wash. I think Sharon's washed hers about 10 times so far. So they're very versatile, and we do have those on our website also. Mm-hmm. And then Amy's going to show you our Turtle Time hats.
Turtle Time hat, especially good for today when you don't have a really good hair day because of the rain.
It says, I'm on Turtle Time, and we've just got new colors in,
which is great,
yesterday, so we'll be filling those in online as well.
That sounds great. Well, you guys have a lot of great ideas and for us for Mother's Day and just in general for our own personal use during this time. And you're also benefiting a great cause. So it's a win-win-win, isn't it?
It is for sure. Full circle.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We miss our customers, so we're glad we were able to sort of adopt and adapt our new business model, working from all over the place and, and running all over. But we do miss that one-on-one with our customers, and we just can't wait for everybody to be able to come in and say hi to us.
Well, we hope to see you all soon, but until then, your website one more time.
www.turtlecentral.org.
All right. Thank you again, ladies, for joining us today on Faces of Commerce.
We appreciate you.
Thank you, Karen.
Letting us do this. It's a lot of fun.
Mhm.
It is a lot of fun, and we'll be here next week at 10 o'clock. I'll tell you later who we're going to have on, but I doubt they'll have any kind of turtle stuff. So we'll have something else, but not turtles. I love turtles.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So support the Conservancy. Go to Turtle Central website. Look for your Mother's Day gifts. Just look for your own PPE stuff. Just support local, and you can do it right here in the Southport Oak Island area, which also includes Bald Head Island. So thank you, ladies, and
So
have
much.
a wonderful day and keep dry.
You too.
You too. Be safe.
Thanks, Miss Karen.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.